Yo, what's up guys, CyberSip here, and today I'll be showing you how to get Avast Premier for free using the license key. First of all, you have to go on avast.com, the link will be in the description below just in case, and you download the free antivirus. However, I don't need it as I've already got it downloaded. So after you set it all up and got it up and running, when you open it up, wait for it to load, go to settings, subscription, go to insert activation code, and I've got a save down here. Yeah, you copy this code right here. I'll leave on the screen for a while so you can copy it, or you can just pause the video. I've already got it activated, so it won't do much, but yeah, and this will activate it for you for around 761 days. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So you get all of these unlocked when you activate the code. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy way of getting Avast Premier free. So make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and of course leave a like if you would like to. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's it from CyberSip. See you next video.